ForSaleByOwnerPlus.com, a guide to sell your home, and not on your own, realtor guided for sale by owner listing services. Our video series, Pricing Matters, MLS is a must, Internet is the place, House Appeal to Sale, Negotiation Advantages, and the bonus, Golden Tip. MLS is a must. The MLS stands for Multiple Listing Service, the database owned by real estate agents and their regional trade associations, where all the listings are. Who looks at MLS listings? Real estate agents do. Most importantly, buyers agents, and they have most of the buyers out there. Who else looks at MLS listings? Buyers do, from the MLS syndication, as they want to help their agents diligently and find their dream home. There is no other place in the internet more popular with buyers than the MLS. How to list your house on the MLS? You'll need to hire a firm to handle your listing, and it'll appear on your local MLS plus other web-based real estate websites that receive the feed from the MLS, so they can put them in their own website. Is it important to list your house on the MLS? No, unless you want the highest possible price for your home. The bad news is, you must offer a commission to the buyer's agent who brings you a ready, able, and qualified buyer for your house. You can save paying this commission, but you'll reduce the pool of buyers for your house by 90%. This is according to the Realtor Association of America. 90% of buyers use the MLS to find a home. You get to make the call. ForSaleByOwnerPlus.com. Sell it right, sell it smart, sell it with www.fsboplus.com. Click below to get started. Thank you.